Introducing the Instant Vortex Plus, the sleek and versatile kitchen appliance that delivers crispy, tender results with ease. With its 7-in-1 functionality and EvenCrisp airflow technology, this appliance revolutionizes your cooking experience. From air frying and roasting to dehydrating and rotisserie cooking, the Vortex Plus offers a range of options to satisfy all your culinary cravings. Get ready to indulge in finger foods with less oil and no mess, all while saving time in the kitchen. Discover the quality, convenience, and versatility you've come to expect from Instant. Here are the key features of Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart air fryer. Unleash the culinary power of 7-in-1 functionality. The Instant Vortex Plus is not just an air fryer, it's a multi-functional powerhouse. With its 7-in-1 functionality, this appliance lets you air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and even rotisserie your favorite dishes. From crispy fries to succulent rotisserie chicken, the Vortex Plus has you covered. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and welcome the versatility of this all-in-one appliance into your kitchen. EvenCrisp Technology for perfectly golden and tender results. Experience culinary perfection with the Vortex Plus EvenCrisp airflow technology. This advanced feature ensures that air is distributed evenly from top to bottom, resulting in a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Whether you're air frying chicken wings or baking cookies, the Vortex Plus delivers consistent and mouth-watering outcomes that will impress your family and guests. Rotisserie feature for self-basting and optimal cooking. Elevate your cooking game with the Vortex Plus rotisserie feature. Perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. This function utilizes a top heating element with a fan for optimal cooking and baking performance. Enjoy succulent and evenly cooked rotisserie chicken, tender kebabs, or juicy roasts that are sure to delight your taste buds. The Vortex Plus takes your culinary creations to a whole new level. One-touch smart programs for effortless cooking. With the Vortex Plus, cooking has never been easier. The appliance offers 6 customizable one-touch smart programs that take the guesswork out of preparing your favorite dishes. Whether it's rotisserie-style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, or more, simply select the program and let the Vortex Plus work its magic. Experience gourmet meals with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Easy cleanup and safety features for peace of mind. Enjoy the convenience of easy cleanup with the Vortex Plus. The removable oven door and dishwasher-safe drip pan, cooking trays, rotisserie basket, spit, forks, and screws make cleanup a breeze. The appliance also includes built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off, ensuring worry-free cooking. Rest assured that your cooking experience is not only convenient but also safe. Conclusion: upgrade your cooking game with the Instant Vortex Plus, the ultimate kitchen companion for crispy, versatile cooking. With its 7-in-1 functionality, EvenCrisp technology, and rotisserie feature, this appliance takes your culinary creations to new heights. Enjoy the convenience of one-touch smart programs and the satisfaction of perfect results every time. With easy cleanup and built-in safety features, the Vortex Plus offers peace of mind. Discover amazing recipes and prepare delicious meals with the Instant Brands Connect app. Elevate your cooking experience today with the Instant Vortex Plus.